I have my drone right here, and I actually waterproofed it, so now I can do this. Oh! It likes to lose signal pretty easily. So it's in my sink right now. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's going crazy. It lost signal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's going full throttle. I can't turn it off. Oh my gosh. Ah. Come on. Okay. Well, that was crazy. Well, the motor came out right here. It's hot glued in. So maybe I can just push that back in there. So how I waterproofed this was with hot glue. And yeah, it's kind of a fast waterproof method. So you can just do this with a cheap drone and it will work. Turn it back on. That was very strange. It just like lost signal. Okay. Oh no, we're losing water. We're losing water. Come on. No, it's not connecting. So how you waterproof this is there's a board in here and it's green. And what you do is you just put hot glue all over there. The motors are waterproof, LEDs, I'll just give them a little touch up like I did. And your drone is waterproof. It's literally that simple, like that's all you have to do. So I want to take this to a pool because that'll be fun, you know, driving it in the pool like whoosh, underwater. You have to tap the throttle barely just to get the drone, trying to turn off my controller, there we go. Just to get the drone to fly. This is a 350 milliamp LiPo battery, and it's just hot glued in there. It leaves a little bit of weight, but I took off the protective thing. So if you like this video and it helped you out, maybe not, I don't know, but make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.